Tiramisu cake. Ingredients are 8 egg yolks, 1 pound mascarpone cheese. Whip 2 cups heavy cream until stiff peaks form. 2 8-inch sponge cake bases. 2 cups coffee concentrate. Prepare a syrup with a ½ cup water, 1 cup sugar and 1 tablespoon lemon juice until it forms a firm ball or reaches 115 degrees Celsius. The egg yolks are beaten until mayonnaise-like. The syrup is added to the beaten egg yolks in a thin stream. Continue beating until the mixture cools. The mascarpone cheese is softened before adding and incorporated a little at a time. Continue beating on medium speed until it becomes compact and has the consistency of thick cream, approximately 12 minutes. A sponge cake base moistened with coffee is placed at the bottom of the mold. Pour part of the mixture and cover it with another sponge cake base moistened with coffee. Pour mixture to the edge of the mold, level and smooth with a spatula. Refrigerate overnight. To unmold, dip a spatula in hot water and go over the inside of the mold until it releases. Decorate the surface with thin lines of chocolate and cocoa powder. Cover the edge with Ladyfingers cookies.